Have you been wishing for more help in the classroom so that you can do your best teaching? Well, it's not going to take a genie, because we do hear you, and we are here for you, and we count on you. We appreciate what you do for our learners every day that you're in the classroom, and we want to make sure that you have the tools that you need to do your very best. And that's why we created the Count Me In Substitute Teacher Seminar Series. We want you to feel included in schools. We want you to feel effective in classrooms. And we want you to feel engaged in teaching and learning each time that you're in one of our classrooms. So mark your calendars, because every third Monday of the month, beginning March 15th, substitute teachers will participate in their own Count Me In PLC Seminar Series. The series will include workshops like Say Yes, Classroom Management. Bet you didn't think that classroom management started with yes, but you'll find out more. Technology in the classroom. With our new Apple TVs, I know this has been really a challenge for many of you. And top 10 proven Save Me activities. You'll want to keep these. Also, we'll give you the tools that you need to create a culture for learning in the classroom, even when you're the teacher in that classroom for just one day. Excited to sign up? Just go to our district website, choose Departments and Human Resources, and select Employee Resources. There you'll find everything that you need to guarantee your spot in the seminar series, and also a short survey for you to complete so that your voice can be heard and what future supports are important for you to do your best. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you March 15th. Sign up today. Bye.